Alrighty, we just dropped off Riley at work. We got Carlo out here in the office. What's good, boys? Happy birthday to the man himself, Kingston, auto styling leader, Tony Kingston.
Thanks, bro.
It's a unicorn! What the fuck? Yo, we were just chilling inside this fucking car and Tony's out here fucking cutting up this hood. Play some tic-tac-toe on this bitch. You got some tiger fucking...
We got some...
Dude, oh my god, the paint's coming off, bro.
How many days we've been working on the BMW?
Facts,
we have
dude.
to keep track.
Yeah, we gotta tally that shit, you know?
We got a little smiley face, a little tongue sticking out.
Yeah.
Another one.
Oh my god. What you got there, Carlo? What do you got?
You know, I'm just trying to fix... There's a small dent. See this dent right here? Yeah, this dent right here. We're gonna try and undent it like this.
Don't you have to hit it from the other side?
Wait, which... Oh, this side?
Oops. Oh no! I think I won.
He quit.
Pass the door. Nice. Yo, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Happy face for you guys. Oh, and like. Give it a thumbs up. And make sure you follow Elevated on Instagram. Sports. Yeah. Good cursive.
The art project.
In kindergarten?
Yeah, look.
Alrighty, today's the day. We're gonna go sell the Subaru hopefully today, right now. Carlo is getting all his stuff ready and yeah, we're ready to go. Let's do it, baby. I'll take the Evo so that we can pick him up on the way out. So yeah, Tony's leaving. We're gonna go, it's his birthday and everything, so we're gonna actually meet up with him when we're up in Puyallup and get some dinner with him as well. So it's gonna be sweet. Let's get it. Alrighty, I've put so much time, sweat, blood, tears into this WRX, and sadly it is about time to let it go, but it's okay. Still have the Evo though, so if anybody wants the Evo, let me know. Yeah, we got that nice red, bright red Kingston Auto Styling banner, X Elevated Motorsports. That's so sweet. Somebody drew fucking, I don't know, man. Wash me. Yeah, I gotta wash this car at some point, but seems like she likes the car, so they're gonna go ahead and take it on a test drive real quick. You know, the usual. You know what to do when you sell a car. Gotta do it all. See if she can get used to this clutch. It is a stage 2. She might stall it a couple times, but that is okay. Yo, nice. You sold it for $1,000?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good deal for this car, man. I should have bought it. Alrighty, Carlos saying his final goodbyes to the car, and they're taking it.
Alright, nice to meet you.
It's okay, we're gonna go get dinner now. You'll feel better. Yo, we out here at Sean STI's, well actually he's an M3 now, so. Is that M3 outside? Asian M3? Right on. Hey man. Happy birthday, my guy.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. This food looks bussin'.
Oh, it's so good. So good.
Heck yeah. Yo, you guys in Puyallup area, come here for all of your food. Look at that pad thai. Got that red curry chicken with the rice. Oh my god. Ain't got no cake, but we got that sticky rice with some mangoes as the that dessert there, man. Oh man, so good.
Let's go.
Oh, are you a rat?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yo, that Amazon Direct, bro.
Oh, what is this?
Yo.
Oh, he got me. Got my new watch band.
Hey, hard flex. Nice.
I actually like that.
And now it's gone.
The Apple Watch.
That's just
Yo.
This car shows that I work my ass
Look at this guy's car, man. He is the original owner. He bought it when he was 19 years old. This thing is sweet. It's gone through track time and everything. It's a KA stock motor. But damn, bro. This 240 is crazy nice. Original owner. I cannot believe that. That's so sick.
Dude, spaghetti.
Yo. That's awesome, man.
But I wore those bitches out to the point where I had to take them out.
Yeah.
Cool, though.
But yeah, I still got seats.
Not a single crack on the dash.
I don't drive it every day.
Dude, the door came up not even fucking sagging or anything.
Yeah, it's fuck you.
Yo, we got S2K in front of us.
Thank you. That is up to date. I can have you military.
Hey, yo. That's sweet, man. Can I sit in it? Can I sit in it? Hell yeah. These things are so great. Holy shit, dude. This thing's so tiny. I love it. Yo, the T-tops. Oh my god. That's so cool, man. Yeah. And right-hand drive, bro. That's sick. Hold on. First gear? Second gear? Third? Fourth? Fifth? Reverse? Oh, yeah. Yo, Carla. This thing's so small. I love it. I could not drive this thing daily, but... Oh, it scoots back? Okay, cool.
Why the fuck you drive so close then? No power steering or what?
What? No.
No power steering?
No, dude, it's a fucking EV2.
Pump, 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 pump. Hey, this is cool. It's in Japanese.
Yeah, it's JDM as fuck. Little boosty boy.
Hey, get out of here. Hey, Alex,
Oh! That's so sick.
this thing's turboed. What the fuck?
Yo! That's so sick. What the fuck?
Gets up and goes too. No?
Is it a 3-liter? Or a 3-cylinder?
Yeah.
Okay.
660cc.
Yo, this car has less displacement than my bike. Think about that, boys.
Wait.
Think about that.
Is that the RB13? Half the 26? 3 cylinders? Where's the turbo? That?
That right here.
What the?
Like, fits in the palm here.
Fuck
Yo, somebody tell me why this battery is bigger than the battery in my Evo right now. That's wild. Yeah, premium for the turbo. Straight pipe? Heck yeah. Hey.
I bet you will beat your fucking Evo though.
Yeah.
This is so fucking small.
Maybe in first and second.
On the jump it will.
On the jump?
On the jump it does.
Yeah. Damn.
Huh?
Like right off the 12.
No. Can I?
Right off the 12.
It's like a motorcycle. It runs up to 12, bruh. That's crazy. Tony says it's just a shrunken S2000.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. I want to go for a ride.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I'm excited.
Yeah, let me know how it is.
Alright, bet.
Alright, we gotta see how big this truck is. Oh, you have to? Okay. Alright,
It's called like cappuccino.
alright, the cappuccino. About to check out how big this trunk is. Oh, will it even go in? Yes, it will. bro. Nice. You could maybe fit half of a human in this. Maybe a child could fit in here.
No, nothing fits in there, dude.
Nothing? Not even a little kid? I bet you could put a little kid in there.
No,
What are you talking about? His kid could fit in here easily. Yeah, like 2 of his kids. Just the tops? The T-tops go down in here? Nice.
Dude, I can't believe that. Wait, so what's the Honda version? Is it
On the beat.
The Beat.
Honda Beat?
Yeah. Is the Beat bigger? By a little bit, right?
Beat's turbo. That's the question. Yes?
No.
What? Okay,
Beats are not turboed.
Clearly get this.
Yeah. Always get a cappuccino.
The Subaru is
What? The Subarus are supercharged?
This is crazy, dude. All right, they're gonna go for a ride.
Yes, sir.
Yo, this is half my height, guys.
It feels so big.
Is it comfortable in there?
No. Look at me, bro.
All right. Have fun. Enjoy.
All right, let's go for a ride. What the fuck? Dude, that is so sweet. What the fuck? Oh man, this thing is so sick. Oh, that blow off. There we go. There we go. That concludes our ride in the cappuccino.
Hell yeah. It's okay. We
Thomas,
are.
there's a gun! There's a gun!
We're good.
Turn your lights off, bitch.
There is the lights! Please do not brake, dude. I am riding so close to you.
Take it easy.
35.
We're on 35.
Nah, just do 30.
Just go
Do
slow.
not
Yo, Carlo, your fucking Lexus finally runs?
Hell yeah.
We're getting towed. Oh, your light bar's been on, Thomas. Oh, well, we got it towed out here. That was a trip. At least it's just down the street. We didn't go that far. Nice. All right, we gotta go back for his trim piece because it fucking fell off.
Something doesn't smell good.
Huh?
Probably your brakes. All right, long day. Got some grub in us. It's like midnight. See you guys in the next one.